now we have seen the factorization of the quadratic equation. So the last method was what? The factorization by formula method, in which we have seen one part of the formula as b square minus 4ac. That part is called as a discriminant value, and the nature of the root of the quadratic equation depends upon this discriminant. What is meant by nature of the root? Whether the roots are positive, whether they are real, whether they are not real, whether they are equal roots or unequal roots. So we can find out the nature of the roots by finding out the value of the discriminant. Let us see what are the conditions. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is, it is negative, then the roots are not real. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. Means one value of x is 4 and the other value is minus 5, like that. And if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Both the roots are same. So in this way, by finding out the value of b square minus 4ac, we can identify the nature of the roots. Let us see the example. 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. So let us find out the value of b square minus 4ac. b is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 7. So it will be 5 square is 25. 4 into 2 is what? 8. 8 into 7 is 56. So 25 minus 56. What is the answer? It is minus 31. So b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 31, which is negative value, which is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not real. Okay. Now let us see the other example. X square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 1. What is the value of b? B is equal to 2. What is the value of c? C is equal to minus 9. Then we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is minus 9. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 plus 4 into 1 is 4 into 9 is 36. Negative and negative, so it will become positive. So 4 plus 36, that is 40. So b square minus 40 is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 40, which is greater than 0. It is a positive value. It is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real but unequal. Now, let us see the third example. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 4. And C is equal to 4. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. So, it will be 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, the roots are real and equal. So, here if you see the sum x square plus 4x plus 4, it is an identity. A plus b bracket square, x plus 2 bracket square. Therefore, we get the only one value of the x, that is minus 2. Solve this sum. By splitting the middle term, you will get the value of x as only 1, which is equal to minus 2.